Are you encountering Wi-Fi issues with FIFA Mobile on your iPhone? Don't worry. Follow these 3 advanced guides to fix FIFA Mobile not working on Wi-Fi from iOS devices. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Fix your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. Or you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Change DNS settings. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, tap the eye icon of the connected Wi-Fi, turn off low data mode, scroll down, tap Configure DNS, select Manual, set the first DNS server 8.8.8.8 and the second DNS server 8.8.4.4 and tap Save. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings again. After resetting all settings, connect to your Wi-Fi again and check your issue. Hope one of these steps will fix FIFA not working on Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Now, if you still have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.